Komiti mar arita kwe e kaunti ma Homa Bay nobedo kod romo moyiedhi mar rango kaka gidwa jiwo arita kwe e kaunti no e kinde mag nyasi mag Krismas kod yawo higa manyien 2026. Romo ma kamano manokelo kanyakla jodito mag arita kwe e sub counties te ma Homa Bay ne ochwo e kom kod komishona mar kaunti no Ronald Muiwawi mane osingo ne jopiny ni arita margi biro bedo makare e kinde nyasi mag Krismas kod mar yawo higa manyien, ka okoni obila biro jiwo patrol e gwenge te mantiere e kaunti no mar kedo gi tim njore moramora. Bende nosiemo josiasa mondo wetiyo gi rowere mokode mar rocho kwe e gwenge ma kaunti no.
We are going to provide adequate security. As we can see us, we are not going to go to our homes. We are all going to be around here to ensure that our people celebrate safely and cross the year when they are solid and in one piece. But I want to put a disclaimer that as we promise security, security is not an exclusive phenomenon. It is an inclusive phenomenon. So we also need the cooperation and total cooperation from all the people of Homa Bay so that we can give them the best service that there is. And some of the measures that we have put in place to make sure that our people are safe, we are looking at the road carnages that we have seen happening here and there. What we are going to do, and already we have started it, we are going to put up some roadblocks to check on drunkenness among our drivers. We are also going to check on overloading. We are also going to check on the condition of the motor vehicles that are being used, because in most cases, during festive seasons, most of our people are fond of even bringing back to the road vehicles which have not been on the road because they